guys, so today is my house tour because I accidentally restart the world or on purpose because I really want my house to be a nice design. So let me show you my first designs in the down. So here we have our outside and here we have our inside. So we first start with some play toys in case if kids come, and we have a calendar, a sofa, and also a half couch. And here we have the keys, the markers for the calendar. And then when you come in, you see plants. It's so nice. And then here you have your TV remote, you have your plants, another plant, and then, Then here you have your oil, your stuff that you need. And then here we have some food. And then here we have some nice stuff. And we also have the bubble machine. I forgot to off that. So never mind. It's fine if we forgot to off it. Because, yeah, it's fine. Okay, so anyways, let's go to the second floor to see more. Okay, so here on the second floor, we have this banana. So we have this banana lamp, and we have another plant. And then we have this shower, this bathroom, and then these stuffs. And then, and this is the laundry area. And then this is the twins' bedroom. They don't have much in there. And this is Nora's bedroom. I forgot to decorate her eyebrows because, and tomorrow we're gonna get Nora's hamster. But if I could get it right now, I could rather get it. So I saw 2 hamsters in this shop because it has the veterinarian or whatever. So it has this place and it has 2 hamsters. 1, 2. Perfect. Now let's just bring it to Nora's place. Let's let her hold that. And by the way, guys, why do we even have dog food? If you have hamsters, let's change the food into seeds because I think hamster likes seeds, maybe. Yeah, because I don't know what hamsters likes. Yeah. Okay, so anyways, I think we're gonna just go for seeds and a bit more. Yeah, I think these are enough. And then we're just gonna go to the second floor to, add it. So, I think that it's just gonna be a quick one or some half quick, a bit quick. There, hamsters are in. They're never going to sleep. And let's visit the third floor, which is the mom and dad's bedroom. So by the way, guys, there was just a new update of these 2 new bed stuff. It's for the baby, and look at that. Cute banana peel. I think you should go to bed. Go to bed. Go to bed. There. And then the magazine or whatever. Oh, it opens when people try to touch it. That's cool. And now, still have their bathrobes. And then, let's open the lights because it's morning time. Whenever there's light, this light up this one. But when you close it, it doesn't. So let's just close it for a minute. And yep, that's it. And I really hope you like my house tour.